How to run Deepseek locally. Installation of Deepseek locally has two parts. Number one is installation of server side and number two is installation of client side or application where we will chat. For server side installation, we need to go on a website ulama.com. Here you can see Ulama. Click it here. Available for Mac, Linux, Windows. I am downloading for Mac operating system. You can download it for your Windows and Linux as well. Click it here. After that, click on Mac operating system if you want to download for Mac. Click on Windows if you want to download it for Windows operating system. Click on Linux if you want to download for Linux. I am downloading for Mac. Click it here. Here you can see downloading has started. After downloading it, we need to unzip it. Now install Ulama in your Mac operating system. Click it here. Open. Click it here. Click on next and install. I'm entering my password. Now Ulama has installed. After installing Ulama, open terminal if you are on the Mac, open command prompt if you are on the Windows operating system. I am on the Mac. Here we need to write commands. Enter one of these four prompts. The first prompt has 1.15 billion parameters and the last prompt has 70 billion parameters. This is the smallest version and this is the largest version, and the latest version I am going with the smallest version. So I am writing this command in the terminal. Press return or enter if you are on Windows. As you can see here, it is now installing. It takes some time. As you can see here, this version has installed. Server has installed now. Our first part has completed. Now we move to the second part. We need to download client or application. For that we need to go chatbox.com. Here you can see, click it here. Here we need to download Mac operating system. If you are using Mac, you can download for Windows as well. As you can see here, available on Windows, Mac operating system, Android, web and Linux. I am using Mac. Click it here. Click it here. Chatbox has started downloading. Now open Chatbox. Here you can see settings. Click it here. Here I need to select a model, Ulama API. Here I need to select Deepseek. As you can see here, this version is installed in my MacBook. Select it and then click on save. Now you can see this is the version. We can start chatting here. As you can see here, Deepseek is working locally. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.